So this is the Cybertruck. So I'm at the Tesla Center in Domain. This is where the center is. This is the Cybertruck. A closer look of the Cybertruck. It looks like a robot, like you're driving a robot, you know? Nice car. It's big, bigger wheels. Look at this tire. Look at this tire. That is a charging spot over here. It's a Cyber in the truck, so it's called Cybertruck. Yeah, it's a nice car. It's kind of complicated, but then it has a one big wiper. This thing goes all the way to over there. Just one mega wiper on the windshield. The windshield is big. Look at the windshield. It's so big. Yeah. On the interior, yeah, has a good alignment on the interior. It's clean. It's simple. Yeah, something about Teslas, they're very simple. Yeah, I like their badge. Look at this badge. Cybertruck. There you go. Yeah, something about these cars, they're very simple. Like Teslas are very simple. Very simple. Yeah. Look at the yoke screen, the yoke steering. Like it's like a robot car. Yeah, I like the lighting on the interior, all over. Yeah, the lighting is good. It's quiet. It's amazing. It's amazing. The cup holders. The glove box is somewhere over there. I think on the screen is just like everything is just like Model Y, like opening glove box. And these are all the settings, dynamics, charge lock, glove box is somewhere here. Glove box, the glove box. Nice to open, nice to close. Yeah, everything is on a button. Everything is on the screen. Yep. Everything is on the screen. It's nice configuration. Yeah. There's so much to check on this car, which I cannot do today, but this is just a preview of the Cybertruck. Yeah, the door is so firm. It has a firm door. Let's see. So how do you open this door? This is how you open the door. This button over here, just press over there. So the door is open. How do you open from the inside? From the inside, so this button over here, this button, press this button down, and then just like that, you're in and out of a Cybertruck. So on the rear is looks like a Starship, you know. It has a flat vent all the way. So this thing, yeah, like this thing is fully stainless steel. Stainless steel. They have a rear camera over here. These are all the lighting. This is the lighting. So if you come over here, there's buttons. There's lower that door goes all the way down, and then up again. So I think to go up you have to lift it up. That's how it looks like. So it looks like, and then this bigger vent is how you open the vent. It goes all the way. It goes all the way. See, nice lighting in the back, a nice bed liner. This is how you close it. Same way you open it, same way you close over here. The wheels, man, the wheels are so big. Look at these wheels. I think they are 24, I'm not sure. But they have some very big wheels. This thing is fully stainless steel. The back seat, we come back again, open there. Yeah, the interior lining is beautiful, simple and classic. This is the back seat tire looks like. Let's go inside and see. The back seat looks so just simple and classy, you know. It's not just like simple, man. They have everything simple and classy. Like it's built for some kind of people, not just everybody, you know. So these are the back side looks like. These are the door back side looks like. They have a lighting on the door. Like it's very simple. Everything is simple about this car. Yeah. Yeah. And they have a screen also. So the screen over here is to control your temperature, the seats, to watch something on the screen, music, the seats, you know, the fan and the airflow, games if you know, like buying time for the charge, and then if you want to watch something on YouTube, on Hulu, on Twitch, all those things. Like it looks amazing. Then yeah, it's spacious. So spacious. Like all this is glass. It's big old glass. Beautiful, nice car. It has a touch screen. The logo comes out Cybertruck. That's how it looks like from the inside. It's very simple, like as you can see, it's very simple, laid out, you know. I like the lightings. Yeah, the music system, let's go and look at the music. So this is the configuration. Like this screen controls everything. Everything in this car controls on this screen. Everything. The music. Nice system, you know. Then on the yoke we have a small logo of Cybertruck. We have the buttons for blinkers, volume, headlights. There's so much to do on this yoke, which will be our next checkout. Yeah, so far this is what I can give about Cybertruck. There's so much to check on this car, but that will be a story for the next day, some other time, you know. Then these are the place driving. Let's go. Here we are, the most awaited Model Y Juniper. Is it Juniper or Jupiter?